If the economy took a turn tomorrow, would your income survive? Most people aren't prepared, but the truth is, some careers don't just survive recessions, they actually grow. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 recession-proof jobs in 2026 that can keep money flowing no matter what's happening in the economy. Hey, this is your name with Cube Capital Group, where we help you build, fund, and grow your financial future. Let's get into it. Job number 1, tax professionals. Number 1, tax professionals and bookkeepers. Here's the reality. Taxes don't go away in a recession. In fact, people need more help when money gets tight, filing correctly, maximizing refunds, and staying compliant. This is one of the most reliable industries you can be in. Job 2, healthcare. Number 2, healthcare workers, including non-clinical roles. You don't have to be a doctor. Think medical billing, home health care, patient coordinators. People will always need care regardless of the economy. Job 3, skilled trades. Number 3, skilled trades, electricians, HVAC techs, plumbers. These are essential services. When something breaks, it has to get fixed, no delay. That makes this industry extremely recession resistant. Job number 4, financial services. Number 4, financial services and credit specialists. When the economy dips, people need help managing debt, fixing credit, and accessing funding. If you know how to solve those problems, you become very valuable. And job number 5, grant writers. Number 5, grant writers and funding consultants. When traditional money dries up, businesses and nonprofits look for grants. This is a growing opportunity and a powerful skill to learn right now. Here's the key takeaway. The most secure income comes from solving essential problems. If you position yourself in one of these industries, you don't just survive, you stay in demand. If you want help getting started in one of these areas, connect with us at Cube Capital Group. And if this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to secure their income in 2026.